was trying to see if I had a child since he's been 2 weeks old, and I decided to keep the baby. So I hadn't heard anything. What do I need to do to keep custody of him, keep him in my custody?
And how long have you had him?
Since he's been 2 weeks old. He's 10 now.
He's 10 now. Okay. All right.
Okay, Lisa, so first question is, what is your relationship to this child?
No relationship.
No relationship. Well, under Alabama law, you can petition for an adoption of the child. If you want to make this child legally your child, and this child has been physically living with you, then you can file a petition for adoption. Now, when you do a petition for adoption regarding a non-relative, you have to have what's called a pre-placement investigation, meaning like a social worker comes out, interview you, evaluate your home, interview maybe references and things of that nature that you have. So that has to be filed in with the petition. It goes down to a notice is sent to DHR. They will run a background on you, make sure that you're not a sexual offender or this child isn't kidnapped. And then prior to the hearing, a hearing will be set, and prior to the hearing, you must have a post-placement evaluation, which is a evaluation where the worker comes back out and say the child is in the home. We went back to evaluate this. This is the progress, and the child is still there in the home. She's still maintaining stable housing, and it talks about your income, and all of that is filed in with probate court. You do have to give notice to the legal parents, which means the legal mom, the legal father. If you don't know who the legal father is, or if there's not a father named on a birth certificate, then you have to do service by publication. But if you know who it is, but you don't have an address, then you have to send it to the last known address, but you still need to do certification and kind of dot your I's and cross your T's. So I say to you, Lisa, that if you can get a consent, that's great as well. Most social workers that do adoptions are very aware of the process, and they can also help you with how to get a consent, but you would need to seek legal advice on how to file those adoption pleadings.
All right, good luck with that.